Hi there, I'm Sam. 我是优秀的英语老师. I'm a professional British English teacher with 14 years experience and a teaching certificate. I have a master's in engineering. I am fluent in Thai and I'm a marathon runner. This is the beautiful Niagara Falls in Canada. You can take a helicopter over there, but there are two main parts of Niagara Falls. What's the first thing that comes to your mind when you think of Canada? 10 years online, teaching adults and children one-on-one and in group classes. Instead of reading every word, you just read some words.
Okay.
And gist, what is gist?
What the text is mainly about.
I've also taught at primary schools and a technical college. I've done university lectures and I've taught a governmental department. You can use a better word than nice. You can say the food is delicious,
Okay.
amazing, wonderful. The food is exceptional, flavorful. I have classes for all ages, all levels. The classes will be interactive, engaging, and effective. My main goal is to boost your confidence, improve your fluency and understanding. I write it down how to pronounce it. All like that. Always. Always. Al usually sounds like or, as in walk and talk. So what am I like as a teacher? Here are some reviews, and you can see from the videos